Hello, this is Lily, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'll walk you through how to turn off Twitter's sensitive filter. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, according to Twitter, this is like a trigger warning for potentially sensitive material like violence or nudity. So how would you turn that off? To turn that off, just open up our Twitter app and touch those stars on the top right-hand side of the screen. After this, select View Content Preferences. After that, choose Search Settings, and as you'll see, there's an option to hide sensitive content, something that is switched on by default. You're simply going to turn it off. And now it's off, and that would be all there is to it to turn off the sensitive filter on Twitter. If you don't see these options in the Twitter app, simply head over to your Play Store or App Store and tap the search bar up top, and type in Twitter. So if it says Open next to Twitter, then your app is completely up to date. But if it says Update next to Twitter, then you must update your app to the new version to see those options in your app. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any issues, please post them in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching.